Do you want to reach more people with your videos on YouTube? Here are some tips on how to optimize your videos, so YouTube's algorithm works in your favor.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The first basic rule is make good content that the audience wants to watch. It all starts with an idea. If the idea is already irrelevant for the user, the video won't be recommended in the long run. But let's assume that you have a good idea and that your video is well made in terms of content and technology. Then it's time to optimize the video title, the description, and the tags. First, you have to do some research. Try the autocomplete function of the YouTube search line. Here, topics are suggested that other users often look for. But do this in the incognito mode of your browser. Otherwise, YouTube will access data you already tracked, and that falsifies the result. Another free tool to use is Google Trends. For example, you can check if people are more likely to look for tutorial, how-to, or DIY, and adjust your video title accordingly. Browser extensions such as TubeBuddy or vidIQ are also helpful. Did you find suitable keywords? Then name them in the title and the video description. Note that the important words appear further up in the text. Focus on fewer keywords and avoid synonyms. You can repeat the keyword as long as it still reads well. This is a good approach for searchable content like tutorials and knowledge videos. You can also neglect the keywords and instead make the audience curious by choosing a baiting title and thumbnail. Here's an example. YouTuber Vsauce titles the video with "This is not yellow," and the thumbnail shows a yellow area. Of course, this will make you curious because it contradicts our expectations. Plus, the title doesn't reveal what it's about, namely that RGB screens only create an illusion of yellow. According to Google, tags are not too important because the user cannot see them and therefore they do not influence his behavior. Nevertheless, using the keywords here doesn't hurt. Very important, the design of the preview image, the thumbnail. It's the first thing viewers see of your video. So look for an interesting image that reflects the content of the video well. Make sure that everything is clearly visible on the thumbnail. Good contrasts and clear fonts can help there. Sometime after publishing, you should look at your video again and consider making some further optimizations. Maybe you want to change the keywords. You can always optimize your video later. The changes are visible within a few minutes. Most important rule: make your viewers happy. Then you don't have to worry about the algorithm. What is your experience with your YouTube algorithm? Write it down in the comments. If you want to know how algorithms work in detail and how much artificial intelligence on YouTube knows about you, check out our video on this topic. If you like the video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss a thing. Bye and see you next time.